In today's video, I'm about to build a workflow that makes money while you sleep. Not fake money, not maybe money, this kind of money. Because every single day, customers book appointments and never show up. And every empty chair, every empty slot, and every empty table is cash the business has already lost. But today, I'm building the machine that goes and gets it back automatically. 6 steps inside GoHighLevel. And I'm not just showing you where to click. I'm explaining why every single step matters. Because copying clicks makes you a follower, but understanding the system makes you dangerous. So let's get right into it. First of all, you would want to go and log into your GoHighLevel sub account. Then go all the way down to automations and click create workflow. Now there's plenty of options where you can choose from to create your workflow. But for the sake of this video, I'm going to be using start from scratch. But if you ever want to create a workflow from AI, go down to my channel and check it out. So first of all, you would want to name the workflow. So you could do something like no-show follow-up, money machine, whatever you want. So let's do no-show follow-up right there. Then you're going to add a trigger. That's appointment status. Now, in the appointment status, you can change the workflow trigger to whatever you can easily remember and explains the trigger. Then you're going to be choosing contact only, and the event type will be any. And you're going to add another filter that is appointment status is, there's new, there's confirmed, canceled, showed, no show, or invalid. Take a guess. Yeah, you're right. No show. Then you're going to save the trigger. Now you're going to add another action. And there's 6 actions in this whole video. So the first action is going to be wait. Well, you might say, why are we waiting? Well, that's because imagine going to a barber appointment and you're a minute or two late and your appointment starts at 12, but you went at 12 too. How embarrassing would it be to send that person a message at 12 that you missed their appointment? Like, that would just be so embarrassing for the other person. Now, you're going to set a period of time, and the time period should be minutes. That's good. And let's do something like 12 minutes maybe. That should be good. Then you're going to save the action. Now, you're going to add another action. That's add contact tag. That's because data is money. Imagine the owner of the barbershop going through their contacts and find this in like a day or two from your appointment. And you might still not have gotten a haircut. That's why data is money. Now you're going to select the tag to no-show follow-up. But if you don't see any tag, just make a tag that's called no-show follow-up. And click Save Action again. Now you're going to add another action that's called Send SMS. This is where you actually send your SMS to the customer. So first, the system's going to wait 12 minutes or whatever you want, but I usually recommend going between somewhere to 10 to 15 minutes. Then this is where you actually add your SMS. So you can type your message here like, hi, sorry you missed your appointment, something like that right there. Now you can skip add attachments and add files through URL and then jump straight to save action. Now, this is by far the most important action in the whole system, like after SMS. This is send internal notification. What this does is it automatically sends the notification to the barber or dentist had their appointment with so they can help someone else or take a break. Then you can do select type, email, notification, SMS, or WhatsApp. It doesn't really matter, but again, it's your choice, whatever your team is comfortable with. Let's just select SMS. You can type a message here like, hi, the missed their appointment, right there. Now you can do save action, but first you're going to select the user type. Do you want to select all of the users, only assigned users, custom numbers, or particular users? Particular users is only one person. A custom number is a number that you usually use for WhatsApp or SMS. Assigned owners is only the owners of the company, and all users is everybody in your whole team. Now use whatever you want, but I selected all users. Then do save action and add another action. This action is wait again because we're going to send another SMS after 24 hours, and this 24 hours is the wait action. So set a period of time. Let's do hours, and let's do 25 right there. Now you're going to save the action and add another action that is send SMS. Now you're just going to nudge them a little bit to take the appointment. So something like, hi, you missed your appointment yesterday. We still have some slots left if you like. Now, again, no attachments needed, but if you want, you can add them. Add files to your URL, none needed, but again, you can add them if you need it, and you can do save action. Now that is pretty much it for our no-show follow-up workflow, but you do need to add the teeny details, something like add tag, like who do you want to tag, or internal notification and stuff like that. Now what you want to do is publish it. So on the top right corner right here, switch this to publish and save it, and that no-show follow-up system is now on and ready to work. And this is the money printing machine I made, just like that. And on this channel, I'm building an entire collection of systems that collect 5-star reviews on autopilot, systems that bring back customers while the owner is asleep. So if you want the full money printing machine, subscribe right now because the next build turns customers happier than you. And if you ever want to try GoHighLevel, you get a free 30 days trial in the description, and you can build the same money printing machine today in your account. See you in the next one.